life, and I won't look back ever again.
Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
The Terminator Cobra is a car that commands respect, especially in the automotive community. And it doesn't matter if you're a Chevy guy or a Dodge guy, you will respect it. If you owned a Cobra, you was top dog in the car scene. Ford was definitely way ahead of their time when they came out with those engines. No question about it. Everybody wanted a Terminator. These days though, it's starting to get harder and harder to find people that you can trust to work on your vehicles. But working on a car like this, it was definitely a dream come true. It was definitely a true honor to work on a very rare Terminator Cobra. It's not every day you get to work on something that special, and I'm very grateful for it. I'm thankful for the customer entrusting me with his vehicle. It was definitely an opportunity of a lifetime, and I am blessed to have that opportunity.
I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along.